Hey everybody, this is a quick review on this copper anti-seizing lubricant. And so this would be something where you would put this on the threads of something that you don't want to seize up over time. Also, this works great. Let's just say you're changing brake pads or something that might have a little bit of a rattle. This can go on the brake pad, not on the pad itself. On the back side of the pad, where it's getting the pressure there, and it will help minimize, if not usually eliminate, the rattling or squeaky noise. But this is what it looks like. It's a copper base, and it comes, which I wasn't expecting, comes with a built-in brush, so you don't have to worry about, you don't have to worry about having something else to kind of coat it on. So if you're using, let's just say, a spark plug like this, you can coat it on easily using the built-in, brush. Very, very cool. Or if you're doing something like this, coat it on there, nice and neat, and then lock down, really tighten up those bolts and prevent them from seizing up, especially after a whole bunch of heat cycles, like in a motor, to where you can actually get the bolt off, but it doesn't prevent the bolt from, let's just say, coming loose. Hopefully this answers any question you might have about this very cool, convenient, and useful anti-seizing lubricant. Full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, tell me what you think. Give us an honest review. Give us some good feedback. Hopefully that came across. I will tie this in.